Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson. I'm back again today with another 7 trades. Today's date is July 31st and I'm using my Master Scalper trading system. This system uses the Master Scalper, that's this moving average that changes from red to blue, and of course it has the arrows here. They're called the super signal indicator. You'll get an audio sound and this pop-up box you see right here suggesting to buy or sell. Now every morning 6 o'clock, in front of the computer, that's right where this vertical line is, I'm trading the continuation of the London, that's this blue box, and going into the New York session, that is this blue box. Now I'm looking at all the different instruments you see here. And of course I'm looking at my daily trade plan. Once I make a decision I want to be buying and or selling, I will manually put in this white arrow just to remind me if I want to be buying or selling. Now here is my daily trade plan. It's running in real time. It is an expert advisor. It analyzes from the monthly all the way down to the 30 minutes, does a bunch of calculations. And within the comments here, it'll either say look for bearish trades, bullish trades, and some of them might even be preferred. If you are trading without any kind of a daily trade plan, well, that is one good reason why you are struggling. Of course, if you have any questions regarding this daily trade plan, well, just get in contact with me. So let's take a look at these trades I've taken. First one was the dollar CAD. Keep in mind, no matter what your broker offers you, if you can get it into the Market Watch, you can trade it using my Master Scalper trading system. So let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. As I mentioned, arrow from the daily trade plan, Scalper was red arrow, super signal, and away it goes. This is where I saw it. Obviously here would have been a little bit better, but I was happy at this point. Locking in about 24 pips, and that paid out $173. Trading is easy and a lot of fun once you learn how to trade. And of course, to learn how to trade, it will take time and a lot of education. And of course, once you get the education and of course get your hands on good trading system, you actually have to learn how to use the system. And of course, it's very important that you get support, because without support, there's a very good chance you will still struggle to succeed at trading. And after you buy from me, I give you support. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is Euro New Zealand. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Another tool I recommend that you should get your hands on is, I call it the FibMaster tool. It's a complete full course with 30 training videos. You would just click on this tab right here. You'll go from swing high to swing low right here. There's your pullback. If it hits the entries, as a general rule, it'll hit target 2, 3, 4, 5, and many days it'll go all the way to 10. Now I'm done trading, as I have my daily quota, which is usually what I'm aiming for is 200 or more pips and or ticks, and as you can clearly see, it's still working its way down. So I took the trade at this point, actually entry number 2, and I closed it out here, again just being happy with 36 pips, and that paid out $213. It's a great tool, and I highly recommend that you get your hands on it. And of course, if you have any questions, well, just get in contact with me. Okay, moving right along. Next trade, pound Swiss. Okay, let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Here we go. Arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Took the trade at this point. It looks like it's still working its way down. It already hit the ADR here. But I was happy at this point with 23 pips, and that paid out $273. Let's move on to the next trade, which is the Euro Aussie. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Another one, I sold it. Arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal, scalper. Very easy decision to make, along with the, the daily trade plan. Well, sold it. Closed it out here as it was hitting the ADR. Locking in looks like 41. And those 41 pips paid out $274. Okay, let's move on to the next trade, which is the Pound New Zealand. Here we go. Let's drag and drop this up first of all. Let's see where it got in at. Went sideways for a while and then finally went in the direction of the daily trade plan and of course the way the charts look. So let's just see where I got in at. And I closed out the trade here. Locking in looks like a nice 50 pips, and that paid out $302. I can show you that fib tool again. It's quite easy to use. Just click on the tab. You would go from high point to the swing pivot low. Here's your pullback. Plenty of them. If you're trading London, it's right here. Trading the New York, which is what I'm doing, right here. I got in at entry number 1, right here. And of course, away it went. Hitting target at the moment, target 3. And as you can clearly see, it's working its way down. It can keep going and going and going all the way to 10, maybe. No guarantees. And again, if you have any questions about this FibMaster tool, again, well, just get in contact with me. Moving on to the next trade, Pound Aussie. Here we go. Another one I sold. Let's drag and drop this up. See where I got in at. Went mostly sideways, finally starting to move around this point. And that's the point I got in at. Close it out here, just being happy. Looks like with about 58 pips, and those pips paid out $385. Okay, moving on to the last trade, which is the NASDAQ. NASDAQ pays $20 for each tick. So we'll just drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. So I took the money, divided it by 20. Calculator says it's approximately 34. So from this point where I got in to where I got out should be 34. And of course, if I was still in the trade right now, it would be around 68, looks like. But let's, what did I say, 34? There it is right there. 34 ticks, and that paid out $680. So another great day of trading using my master scalper. I knew it was going to be well over 200 pips and or ticks. The grand total came to 266. And all of those pips and ticks, that paid out $2,303. So if your system's not producing, like my master scalper, I recommend you get your hands on it. Don't forget about the daily trade plan. And don't forget about the FibMaster tool. All of this information and packages is located right below this video. So if you look right below this video, you'll see a banner, the word more. All you got to do is click on it. And at that point, you'll get my contact information plus a lot of other information. Now you can pick up the phone and call me directly. I actually do answer the phone unless I'm busy. And if you live too far, well, send me an email. And of course, I do prefer Skype, so I made a link. All you got to do is click on the link. We'll have Skype contact, and through Skype, I'll be able to answer your questions. Now, in the description, you'll also see 4 different packages. I do have a special offer. Keep in mind, I do charge $250 for each package. And my special offer is if you buy 2 packages, I'll give you 1 package for free. So it looks like it's just about time to wrap up this video. Of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay? Bye for now.